Hello, good morning, friend. Today I'm with nature and I'm requesting all of you dear friends, please come out from your home and give some time for yourself. Please wander because nature is super powerful and nowadays human beings are living in stress, and to live in stress, this is not life. So please understand life and give some time for yourself and come out from your home. Dear friends, everything is present in nature. Nature will relax your stress and give strength, give good health. So please come out from your home and wander. Thank you.